మిత్రులారా, బంధువులారా, వనకము స్వాగతము to South Asia Maps. This is your education channel, your presenter Dr. J. Reddy, Joggari Tirupati Reddy. We are continuing our Assam series, part 3C. The title of the presentation is the Surma River Basin, Kushiara River Basin. Previously, we have identified around about 35 or so geographic regions of Assam, Bigger Assam, Greater Assam, are 35 geographic regions. We are delving into each of them in detail. I have selected today Surma River Basin, Kushiara River Basin, which are the bifurcations of Barak River. These two are the upstream streams of the Surma River. Meghna River. After this presentation, we will get a bird eye view of that. And entire Barak River, I have covered in three parts. Barak River Gorge we finished. Barak River Plains, that is Silchar Plains, that is the Kachar Plains we finished. And today we are talking about the Surma Basin, Kushiara River Basin. If you didn't have the chance to look at, you can see I have posted here 03B, that is the Barak River Valley between the Jirimukh Lakipur to Banga Bajar in Karimganj district. And before that, we covered upstream region, Barak River Gorge, Defile Canyon region, that is from Kongpung to Jirimukh or Lakipur urban centers in Assam. So we are covering today this Kushiara Surma River Basin, and this is our Assam series, the land of Rajarshi Sukaphaa, Ahom ruler Swargadev, who reigned from 2028 to 2068. Assam and Sylhet across the Dawki line, across the Radcliffe line, that is the ideological partition line, and we are in this Surma-Kushiyara River Basin. All these presentations you can find at South Asia Maps JRD YouTube channel, education channel. There are 770 videos or so. As of 2025 March, I have put them for our convenience into 70 or so playlist. You can pick and choose the one you like. Why this is very, very important, not only from geographical point of view, from partition point of also. Physiographic maps, eastern side or right hand side, compared to the normal administrative political maps. This is the Assam province, 7 or 8 districts, Goalpara, Kamrup, Darang, Lakhimpur, Sibsagar, Naugang, Kachar, Sylhet and Meghalaya. Purbi Bengal, that is the Mashriki Bengal, Mymensingh, Dakeshwari, Naukhali, Koppe, Tripura, Komil and all those areas. You just see only two-dimensional part here, whereas if you look the same, you will see the three-dimensional almost, that is the rivers, mountains, valleys, Brahmaputra Valley, Assam Valley, the plains, and it will give you a broader, deeper understanding how the terrain, the land, habitat, physiography shapes our current life. That's very interesting how it shapes the current line. We live in partition India. There are 4 Punjabs. We talked about extensively Radcliffe line, that is the partition line between Darul Mumini, and in this side the Mumins, believers and Elam, the enlightened area, in their opinion, had been the land to be put to defeated, and non-believers, Kufites and Jahiliya land. That Radcliffe line or Ravi line or Sutlej line on the west is the same as on the eastern side, that is the Dawki line, or we can call it Dawki line or Barak line, Surma line, Kushiara line, Sankosh line, Jinjiram line. Why it stopped only in that particular part? You have to have a deeper understanding of the geography or physiography. Here I will not be going into detail, just I am telling a small part while you can look in that perspective also. And Long before, I covered all the 35 or so physiographic region of Assam province and Sylhet in depth, and you can go and look them. We are looking at part 6, Barak Gorge here and Silchar plains here, Barak plains, and downstream bifurcated Surma and Kushiyara region we are looking at today. And if you didn't have a chance, I will stop here also so that you can see all those 35 or so physiographic regions. Why I have put 25, I'm saying 35 means sometimes I might have given A, B, C, D also. We are looking at 1C is the Surma-Kushiyara Basin. The rest of them I will be posting soon. You can look at our YouTube channel. We'll go over the part here, then I will take you actual maps and show you, try to impress you the fascinating region of Mother Bharat, Bharat Mata. So this is the rivers. The river is the Barak river, that is the upstream region, bifurcates into Kushiyara and Surma river, and tributaries like Someshwari river, Kalni river, Baulai river, and Titas river, Gumti river, then the old Brahmaputra rivers and Jamuna river, that's the other name for downstream of Brahmaputra, Padma river, the other name for Ganga Mata river, and Meghna river. Remember, some of these rivers I have not mentioned all of them. The rivers bifurcate, they join, again Bengal is a very totally different deltaic region. So, and there are so many rivers. That's why you have to keep in mind names may be different, and it merges, joins, merges, and so on, branches out. So I giving the border areas are the Barak Gorge. The Barak Gorge is the upstream region. Barak Valley, we look from Jirimukh to Lakipur to Bang Bajar region near Badarpur. That's the Meghalaya Plateau here. That Meghalaya Plateau can be divided into Garo Hilly region, Kasi Plateau region, Jayantia region. This is the Dawki fault. All of a sudden, from Bengal Basin, the Meghalaya Plateau rises. This is the geological structure. There is a village called Dawki. That's the border between Meghalaya and Purbi Bengal Sylhet region. So it's called Dawki fault region. And Sylhet hills. Then the old Brahmaputra floodplains. This is the old Brahmaputra floodplains. And Meghna River floodplains, downstream Meghna River where it floods, the Barak Valley we looked at, Dawki escarpment and Meghalaya hills. What are the taluks? And the Bangladesh used to have East Bengal round about 18 or so districts in 1980s or so. Now there are many Upajilas, nearly 80. So I have delineated Sylhet district and Sunamganj and Netrakona in the historic Mymensingh and Kishorganj, Habiganj, and Brahmabaria and Gajipur area, Narsingdi and Karimganj and Silchar and Hailakandi and Tripura state and so on broader. So you can see the fault here, Brahmaputra river, that's downstream is called Jamuna, and Rangpur district will be there, Bogra will be somewhere here, Rajashahi will be there, Pabna will be there, Ganga river upstream that's called Padma or Paddu. After Jamuna Ganga joins the giant stream near Goyal Wundo and region. At Chandpur, this is the Dhaka and region is here, and Chandpur, it joins Ganga Sagar Ocean. And Someshwari river comes from the Plateau, Meghalaya Plateau. This the near Bangabajar region, northern stream is called Surma, southern stream is Kushiyara. Near Baira Bajar, all of them join, and south of Baira Bajar, then the Titas river and Gumti river join. This is the Silchar district, and this is the Hailakandi district, this is the Karimganj district here. I have delineated this before, and for completeness I will show you again if you missed it. And these are three districts, so we have three regions, that is the Barak, the Gorge Valley and Basin region. And we'll go over this again so that it will be very clear if you didn't had a chance to look at it. So I will try to map all the three of them for you. You have to remember the Barak River, Makru River, Iring River, Tuai River, Jiri. I put Jiri Muk where it plays giants, and Banga Bajar town and Lakshmi Bajar here. And the main river, Gorge. Okay, we'll start where the river. So this is the where the river. This is the we are traveling back. This is the Barak River. That's the Barak River, Barak River. That's the Barak River. The Barak River, Barak River. Sorry, the Barak River. Barak River. West side is the Makaru River. The Barak River, Nagaland, Manipur border. Barak River. Kompung town will be somewhere here. This is the Animatol Mountains, West Manipur Mountains. This is the Impal Valley in the Manipur River, Manipur Basin. So we have gone the main river. I will come to that and we'll start over and the major part now. This is the Jiri River. The place which join is the mouth, Muk. This is the Tuai River here. This is the Tuai River here. This is the Tri-Junction. Manipur and Silchar part of Assam. This is the Mizoram. So the Taipai Muk there, Jiri Muk there. Okay, Lakipur town will be somewhere here. That is part of current Silchar district. That is the Kachar district. So from Lakipur to Silchar, Badarpur. That's the one. Badarpur, Silchar will be somewhere here. Badarpur will be here. So we'll change it. Then the river goes into two parts, bifurcates. Northern part is Surma. Because of lack of space here, I will put Surma will be somewhere like the Surma. And I just to shorten it so that's not complicated. That's the Surma, and it's not to scale like that, just shrink to. I'll join this Surma both. The near Bhairab Bajar that becomes Meghna there. The Meghna river joins Meghna river. And it also gets old Brahmaputra river here and the giant stream of Jamuna and Padma. This is the place is called Chandpur. This place is called Chandpur. This place is called Chandpur, the green one. Chandpur, from that river joins into Ganga Sagar. Ganga Sagar. So I have put it broadly. And let's do this the Makaru river that joins Barak river. Upstream, this is the Lakipur, this is the Jirimukh. I am trying to show all the rest of them. And other river is the Iring river. This is the Iring river. Other part of the Iring river. That's the Iring river. That's the Iring river. So the green one is Iring river. The same I put Makaru. So these are the major upstream. So you got the broader idea. So what are the parts of this region? You can see the Sylhet and Maulvi Bajar and Sunamganj and Habibganj. This is the historic Mymensingh district east of Jamuna river. So Mymensingh is there. That is the Jamalpur, Tangail and Mymensingh, Dhaka, Gajipur, Narsingdi like that. And Chandpur where the combined stream. This is the Padma river. This is the Jamuna river combined stream. This is the Goyalundo and this is the Chandpur and near Navkali Tipera, that is the Komela region, joins the Ganga Sagar Ocean, that is the broad. And I will show you the Indian part is not that clear because that's why if you look only smaller maps, you don't get a bigger picture. But so Lakipur, where it joins in the plains, Jirimukh will be somewhere here in the border, Lakipur, Silchar, Badarpur, and Badarpur, Banga Bajar, it goes to Surma there and it goes to Kushiyari. Lakmi Bajar, it goes to Kushiyara and Kushiyari river on the Karimganj region. So you got the broader idea there. And So at Bangabajar, this is the bifurcation point of northern Surma, southern Kushiyara, and Kushiyara river leaves the Indian border, now Lakshmi Bajar region, whereas the Surma itself leaves the Indian border at Banga Bajar region. You remember Bangla language, Banga Bajar, Lakshmi Bajar. So we'll see the broader river. You can see this the Brahmaputra river, this is the Ganga, this is the Koshi river, this is the Mahananda river, Ganga, called Padma after it joins in the Malda region, Malda Rajashahi and Pabna and all those regions. Goyalwondo here, Jamuna river. This is the old Brahmaputra that used to be before the earthquake and the change. This is the Meghalaya Plateau, Garo and Kasi and Jayantia. This is the Dawki fault. And you can see this is the Manipur province, princely state, this is the valley, Impal valley. From here the river comes, from here Barak plain goes, then the Surma and Kushiyara here. This is the Meghna river, it joins here, is the Ganga Sagar. So you can get a broader idea there. And here this is the Meghalaya hills, this is the Tripura hills, this is the Sylhet hills, this is the Sylhet depression. You can see that is the lake, Laktok Lake, and this is the Manipal Valley region. Animatol Mountains, west Manipur Mountains, this is the East Karbi Anglang Plateau. That dot is the Kapili Reservoir, Umrang Song. So here I will try to show you, this is the Lakshmi Bajar. See, the Lakshmi Bajar. This is the one, Karimganj district. Here it lives. This is the Kushiyara river, southern part. See, Lakshmi Bajar are Lafasil. So, and near Banga Bajar, it leaves the other part, Banga Bajar. It should be Banga Bajar, somewhere here. Near Badarpur, the Badarpur, Banga Bajar, I think it should be there somewhere. Badarpur, Banga Bajar. Yeah, Banga Bajar, you can see Banga Bajar. That's where the Surma river lives, near Badarpur. So this is the where Jirimukh, where Jiri river comes and joins the Barak rivers. Downstream I am not showing because the complicated geography, I don't want to complicate the things for you. Tipemukh, Tuai river. So this is the way the Kongpung is the village where the river joins. You can see the Barak river also there. This is the Barak river. This is the bigger town is called Nui or something like that. Yeah, NTU. This is the Nitu. It's the Nagaland. So need to. The Lakipur is the town where actually it enters into the plains. You see the Lakipur. And Jiribam, that's also on the Jiri river. And Silchar, the river goes along the Silchar, the Barak river attacking. This is the valley. And Silchar town. So you could know, Silchar is not. Then the Badarpur is historic fort and all those things, Badarpur. Karimganj used to be part of Sylhet and where the Kushiyara river flows few kilometers and leaves the Indian border. Badarpur here and south of Bhairab Bajar. The south of Bajar, the rivers join together again. They form the Meghna river. Near Chandpur, it gets the waters of Jamuna and Padma. Then joins the Ganga Sagar Ocean. Hope this gives a fascinating idea and also try to integrate with the historical aspects of partitions, where the rivers, they form very important part when they decide the borders and so on. And I have covered this extensively in the Punjab series. Interested audience can look at that. That's what I talked about today. That is the Kushiyara Physiographic region and basin. The next part in the Assam we'll talk about. There used to be 7 the principal district or prime district during until 1972. Remember 1977 district. Before the Meghalaya and southern Mizoram, that's the Lushai Hills, and eastern Nagaland and northern Arunachal and Nepal regions bifurcated. So now there are 35 districts. How the fascinating from 7 to 35 district happened, and I will take the whole 7 district, and here I might have dropped the Sylhet, so for convenience, and you will get a very deeper, broader idea of this fascinating land. This is the map Assam world 7 district, current means 2025, 35 districts. Thank you very much, Mitronam, joining me today. The fascinating Mother Barak's two distributaries, Kushiara and Kushiara and Surma. Your presenter, Dr. J. Reddy, Joggari Tirupati Reddy, South Asia Maps, Intellectual Kshatriya channel, Education channel. And if you have any comments, questions, you are very welcome to post them there. And if you have interest, and you can subscribe the channel and bring it to the notice of your friends too. ధన్యవాదాలు మిత్రులారా.